Hey guys, today is the 26th of October. There was news that spiked all the way down, but as you can see, my software is giving me a sell signal opportunity. This is going to be tricky because I see how the market is spiking up and down, up and down. Okay, let me take a quick sell. It already hit where I'm supposed to set my take profit. Oof. What is going on? Let me just close this. This is what happens when you trade news. Anyways, we started this account with $250. So far, I made almost $130 from that quick scalp trade in less than 20 seconds. We've made a withdrawal of over $25,000 on this account. You can click my FX book link in description below. And so far, we've made a profit of over $73,000. All right, if you want to copy my trades to test and see that the system works, and you want to get the course, sign up with Mega Markets, link in description below. I should have just left my take profit there to have hit it eventually. And send me proof of that on Telegram. And also, if you want to test the software and get the course later on, make sure you have at least $150 in your account. Sign up with Mega Markets also and send me proof of that on Telegram. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in description below. And people have been requesting this for a long time. VIP signal group. All right, the VIP signals is gonna start January 1st, 2024. However, it's gonna be limited to 50 people. All right, so we're gonna have only you see all that profit I missed out on. Anyways, the market was spiking. This is why I don't really like trading during news. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to join the signal group, it's going to be for 3 months and 6 months. Okay, and then it's going to be closed. It's going to end. Entry to the signal group is going to end at the end of this year. Go to hedgingmastermind.com/VIP signals, or just go to the signal group. To join the signal group, link in the description below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll be right back with another trade in the markets where we make more profits. Like, share, and subscribe.